Oh shit! Oh shit!
What's good, NPR gang? It's your girl Nene, and we back with another banger video. First off, I want to say this is a prank. I'm about to prank RJ because he pranked me with the vibrator thing. Nah, remember this is team me. So we gonna do, by the way, he's at the store right now getting something like his hair or whatever. We're gonna put baby powder in the touch. So I'm gonna pour this in here, and then when he turns it on, it's gonna come on. So you guys let me know, because this was highly requested in my DMs. People texted me and was like, you should do this. So you guys let me know and DM me and tell me what other pranks I should do, and we're gonna get it started. But other than that, yeah, what I'm about to do right now, I'm about to pour baby powder. Let's get it. Kobe. Alright, he's on his way back from the store right now. And we about to get this prank cracking, you feel me? Make sure you guys drop a like, make sure you comment. And if you're new, subscribe. I'm finna hide this. Huh? Why it take you so long?
What?
To come back?
It was traffic. You know how LA is. I always tell people that, huh, babe?
Yeah, why you telling me that when you first met?
Because it don't look believable, huh? It look believable. Come here real quick. Yeah. Size, bro. Size, ooh, I should just cut it all off. Nah, I ain't gonna cut it off. My friend ain't gonna cut it off, bro. I ain't gonna cut it off. Bro, I ain't gonna cut it all off. Should I cut my beard? Nope. I ain't gonna cut my beard. I ain't gonna cut my beard. To the side a little bit. Side a little bit.
It's hot.
Almost caught on fire. What you doing to this? What you doing to this? Oh, it's funny.
What did you do to yourself?
What was in this,
Your
bro?
hair's not brown, it's white.
Yo,
What did you do? Look, you messed up.
I turned the thing on. When I turned it on, all this stuff came out on my face. All of this stuff. This came out on my face everywhere. This everywhere.
What did you do to it?
What you do?
I didn't touch the blow dryer.
Nah, you did something to it, bro.
Is it working?
No, it flamed up and all the stuff came out.
It flamed?
It fire everywhere. Everywhere, fire. You didn't see that? Bro,
what is everywhere.
Yo, bro, what is this stuff?
What is that? What is that stuff in there?
What is this stuff, bro?
You look like a clown.
Bro.
You look like one of them clowns that be dancing on the side of the street.
Nah. You can't be doing this stuff, man. You can't be doing this stuff. Now you messed up the blow dryer.
You look like a clown.
Now you messed up the blow dryer. You
look like a...
All day.
Hell, man.
You want to battle me?
Now you got jokes. Okay. What the hell? What is going on, bro? What is...
Damn, I looks like somebody grandma.
Bro. What is this stuff?
Why you look like that? You know your hair is finally white and gray.
Bro, what is this stuff, bro?
Let me smell it. That smell like...
Bro, you know what this stuff is.
Damn.
Okay, now you got jokes. Okay, now you cracking jokes, bro. I don't know what the hell this stuff is. I've been asking you for the last 5 minutes and you cracking jokes and shit. What is this stuff?
You not even black no more. You white.
Okay, now you got jobs. No, this is shit. Don't ever do this shit. I almost caught on fire with this damn thing. I almost caught on damn fire. With this damn thing. I almost caught on fire with it.
You gotta put that back. I don't like all this. I'm gonna start coughing. Papa, I put baby powder in the blow dryer. It's okay. I got you back.
Alright.
I got you back.
Alright.
I got you back.
What'd you give me back for? The what?
The panty prank. The vibrator panty.
Alright. Okay, where the camera? Where the camera at? Because you must have hit the camera somewhere.
I smacked the dust off that afro.
Alright. Okay. Okay, you got me. Where the cameras at, though? Where's the cameras at? Oh, you got good little hiding space. Okay. You got a good hiding space. I see that. Alright. Okay. Okay, I got you. Okay. Where the bathroom camera? Where's it?
Right there.
Okay. Alright.
What do you mean?
Alright.
Look what you did to the rug.
No, you did this.
No, you did that.
Alright, it's all
You
good.
turned the blow dryer on.
Okay, you want to get me on pranks? I got you. I got you. I definitely got you on the prank.
Like that, you know? It's a little dust in there.
I'm done with you, bro. You better close out this video because I'm getting you back.
I'm finna close you in this bathroom so you can clean that up because you did
No,
that.
you cleaning this up.
No.
You cleaning this up, not me.
You turned the blow dryer on.
No, you put the powder in the blow dryer, so you did it. You clean this up. Seriously.
Help me. You got powder on you.
I'm done with you, bro.
What? How you feeling? How you feeling? You look like Frosty the Snowman.
Okay.
But with an afro.
You got me on this prank.
I got you.
Yep.
I got you. I got you.
I'm gonna get you.
You know what team it is.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you back. No,
It's
no
Team
Team
Nene.
Nene's in the
It's
comments.
Team Nene.
Do not put no damn
It's Team Nene, cause you look like Fifi. Ooh.
Alright.
Well, yo lost. You know what I'm saying? I got you back. And
I'm gonna get you back hard though.
Team Nene's in the comment because I feel like that was a good prank.
It wasn't a good prank.
It was.
Look what you got. You got stuff.
It was a good prank because you look like a snowman right now.
Okay. Now you crack.
You feel me?
Okay.
So.
Alright. Okay.
You want to tell them to like the video, you feel me? Because you look like that, I look like this.
Yeah, okay.
So, yeah.
I got you. Alright. Whatever.
Alright, NPR gang. With the NPR snowman. We got a little mascot going on.
I'm done.
You should dress like that more often.
No, I'm good.
Alright. Whatever. That's the end of this video. And remember, it's NPR gang or no gang. We out. I shoot my gum all in the camera.